Good morning, student of class 10th. Today I will start chapter 3rd, Basic HTML Elements. हाँ, in the first video I will explain two things of HTML. First, what is the basic format or structure to create any web page in HTML using any text editor like Notepad. Second thing is that uh, creating an example of HTML page. The first is basic structure of HTML. So this is the basic structure of HTML. First we start the HTML is the basic code. Then second is the head. It's called for header. Given a title with the head with the type of title tag. Here title you type any title or message and close title tag with the title tag and with slash sign. Then start the body tag. It is the main tag of HTML page. This is the start tag and close tag slash body tag. In between the body tag we have to enter any elements and its attributes. Then after close body tag and finally close of HTML tag. This is the basic structure of format used in any web page create in any text editor. Now second one is that we create the example. In the example we've seen that how to print our name using the various heading styles tag. Heading style tags start from H1 to H6. H1 is the highest heading level or prominent heading level, whereas H6 is the lowest heading levels. H1 highest heading level, it means display the any name items or any types of name in the bold letter, and H6 is the smallest letter to be displayed. Here we start again HTML starting tag, then head given the title with the title tag, and title is use various heading levels, that is H1 to H6, and then title close. After that head close, and body start. Body having a various attributes, that is first is bg color equal to name of the color like red color it means the background color. BG is the background color of the page. So by default is a white color, but we use the attributes with the body tag. BG color is equal to red. It means the page color is red display on the browser. Then when seen the output. Then after we use the first heading label, that is h1. Is the call the biggest heading level. Type your name like that. My name is that, and close the h1 heading label. Similar, we also use the various other heading label h2, h3 and last s6. We select this part and copy, Ctrl C and paste number of times, any 5 times, and just change h1 replace 2 and same closing h1 is replaced by h2, same h3, and the starting also be h3, h4 and closing h4, h5 and last h6. Then after we close the body tag and close finally HTML tag. Here use the BR tag, that is from break. It is used when we given the BR tag, then it means the second name to display in the second line. Similar rest name to be displayed in the separate line. Otherwise all the name display in the single header or line. So copy the BR tag and put the every heading labels. Copy and paste. And then finally save the file. Give the file name heading label .html. It is compulsory, and this file is saved on desktop, and click on the save button. Your file is saved. Minimize the file and open the file. Double click on it. Now you seen the output. Your name is displayed in the various heading level. मैं यहाँ zoom कर देता हूँ. See, this is different heading level. This is the first heading level. This is the second heading level. This is third heading level. This is fourth, fifth, and sixth heading level. So this is the heading levels which is start from h1 to h6. So this is an example to so we have to see there how to create a web page using the various heading level from h1 to h6. Now tomorrow you got a worksheet. In the worksheet I have given a topic to as a practice to create a 2 web pages using the various heading levels. Thank you. Have a nice day.